there's our bridge right over there. I don't know if you can get a good view with the trees right there, but now you can get it right there, I think. A little bit, right? See that? But we're basically caught in traffic going over the bridge. A lot of traffic. But we're gonna bring the camera with us and kind of show you what it looks like. There's a nice view right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there's the view. There's the view. So that's looking at Taipa, and Macau Tower is right there as well. So we're going so slow that why not take the camera out and show you. And that's our traffic. We're gonna have to merge in 3 lanes, are gonna merge into 2. So our lane is gonna merge in with the other one. And then we're gonna go across the bridge. All that traffic. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go across the bridge, and you can see some of the construction already. We're going to be going up, but then shortly after that we're going to have the good view. So so you're going to have to bear through that, and we're going to go kind of slow because of all the traffic today, which is also kind of good too. And then we're going to go along the waterfront of Taipa as well, and I guess you'll see that view. And then we're going to end the video. So we're basically kind of going to do like a waterfront ocean kind of thing. And let's just go back to this one. I think you can see the Macau Tower, but you can't really see. You do have that kind of guardrail right there. Let me move real quick. They're doing some construction right there. And let me see, on that side is Hengqin. You can see the Hengqin. They're building all those skyscrapers over there. I heard that the occupancy right now is quite low, but everything was kind of stopped because of COVID. But eventually that over to the right is all Hengqin, and eventually that'll be part of Macau. Straight ahead is Ocean Gardens, all those white buildings right there. And then we're gonna follow that road along and go towards Taipa Central along, it's kind of a waterfront, but with the camera you'll see. But basically we're gonna follow that way. You can also see right to the left of us too that there is a reclaimed land project. So they're gonna build new apartments and residential, and I think they're gonna have a school and some other things on there too. Maybe you can see it when I get a little bit closer, and then you can get the side view, like right there. So you can see it now. So yeah, that's a reclaimed land project. So a lot of Macau, I forget the percentage, but something like 25% or something. I think there's some number, 23%. I'm not sure the exact number, but they've reclaimed a lot of land from the ocean, including the Cotai Strip. But yeah, that right there is more of it, right over there. So now we're going to be coming into Taipa Central, and we're going to go around to Taipa Central going this way. See a little bit of that skyline there. That bridge that we were on was called the Saiwan Bridge, by the way. And then you can see this right here called, this says Ocean Garden, Taipa Central and Ocean Gardens. So those tall buildings straight ahead are Ocean Gardens, and we're gonna go along those in a moment. Airport. And the airport is over here as well. But they have you go a different way. Airport is in this direction, but this is kind of messy. They're way over in the wrong lane, and they're trying to trying to go to the waterfront right over there. So there's a waterfront which you can't really see because of the bushes. Then over to the right is Ocean Gardens, which you can't really see because there's trees. But what you can see is what this road looks like with all the trees. And 3-lane road. It kind of skirts along the northern part of Taipa. And if you're on the waterfront part, you can walk and see everything. But we're gonna take this bridge, and this is kind of a short little bridge, but it basically just takes us up and over. Up and over. You can see some apartment buildings over here. Oh, now we're starting to get our skyline, so let me come back over here. So now you can see some tall buildings in the background. Those are kind of up on a hill. Some universities are up that way. So anyways, we basically went over Sidevane Ridge, and then we went on that road that kind of like goes along Ocean Gardens, which is apartment buildings. You couldn't really see it when we were in the middle of it, but you could see it from the bridge. And now we're into Taipa Central. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring the camera, and then we're going to get a lot of traffic jams because it's 6:40 p.m. on a Thursday night. And I don't know if you want to see a bunch of traffic jams, but you can see all the tall buildings everywhere. So we're basically going to go right into that. And there's El Tiro Hotel as well. We'll just go a little bit further, then we're going to turn that off. So alright, hope you enjoyed it. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la boquinha.